It's Shawn Johnson East. Welcome to our home here in Nashville, Tennessee. I cannot wait to share with you how we turned this house into a home. I recently decided to redecorate. I just needed a new, fresh start. Exciting day. The Wayfair install is slowly getting closer and closer. We have toddlers who are constantly coloring on everything. So I wanted it to feel like a space you could truly live in and use, and you didn't have to like tippy-toe around. So the kitchen is kind of the heart of our home. I feel like we spend every waking second here. This used to be kind of a breakfast area, but it wasn't quite big enough. So we brought in the dining table and multiple chairs. We're doing arts and crafts and science experiments. We stocked with so many plates and cups because we're constantly hosting. We changed out the lights. I love texture, I love neutral colors. So I ordered a ton of it and it somehow worked. Well, the secret is my entryway doesn't look like this. I wish it looked like this always. My favorite Wayfair piece in this area, the rug is beautiful. Dresser, chest is gorgeous. I think my favorite is the mirror, but I also love the lamps. So, all of it. This room was made for kids. We call it the TV room, the drawing room, the collect-all room. This coffee table is one of my favorites. I loved finding a rounded coffee table. As a parent of toddlers, sharp corners are kind of scary, so this is amazing. How do I keep it from being ruined? I don't. You just kind of have to accept it as a parent. This room was originally the dining room. We had a big dining table and a bunch of chairs, and we never used it. So we wanted to create a cozy space where we can hang out, have a glass of wine, and truly use the space in like a quiet manner. I feel like everything beforehand didn't feel like a reflection of our family or our character or personality. And now it feels warm and welcoming and homey. And being able to order everything so easily, have it be delivered directly to your home in perfect condition. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Wayfair, it has been so great having you guys in my home, but it is time for y'all to go. Goodbye.